Okay, continue to study English with my video about advantage of the banana tree. Usually, banana leaves are used as natural plant food wrapper and decoration, especially in traditional event or ceremony. Animal feed, the dry leaf and peel can be used as feed for livestock such as cow and pig. Continue. Medicine use. Different parts of the banana plant are used in traditional to treat wound, burn, or stomach problem. Environment benefit. Banana tree help prevent soil erosion and organic matter to the soil and improve soil fertility. Provide shade. The large leaf offer shade and help cool in environment, especially in tropical area. Used for handicraft, banana fiber are used to make rope, mat, basket, and even paper. Bye bye. See you in the next video.